Hi, it's Marielle, Mom and a Girl with Plans, and I am flipping through, I think, one of my favorite sticker books from the new spring release from the Happy Planner, and this is the Happy Plans sticker book. It is really versatile. I think the colors are just so pretty, and I cannot wait to use this one. Okay, let's take a look inside. Okay, this has, again, these really pretty colors. It's got some to-dos and some full boxes with some really tiny gold foil dots just as accents, which I love. And then some more of those full boxes. These little half circles say today. This has the black and white dot, which again, I have washi like this and I tend to put it as an accent on things. So this is perfect. It's already on there for me. And I love that the Happy Planner is doing really bold and big lettering, like be kind, you can, like just different motivational things you can put in your planner. And I just love how bold and graphic they are. And these half circles with the gold dots, love this. Happy day, spread joy. And these are little boxes with the little kind of corner. It looks like it's flipped down with a color accent. The best of days, you've got this. Actually, you can. Things will be fine. Love today. So these, and then all the things. Write it down. My happy life. So these have, yeah, all the wording on the side, and it's all in gold foil. Really, these colors are my favorite. So here we've got it without the foil, just with black. Good things are coming, the best day ever. These would be great for memory planning as well, or just even recording in your planner something that happened that day. And then the black dots, love it. List all the things, that is me. Errands. And ta-da, boxes. And this is another reason I love this. They're in fresh colors, and then they also kind of took it up a notch and added some changes in here. We've got some dot grid in the same color as an accent in this bottom corner, which I love, and it's on this one as well. And then we've got it in, make sure I didn't skip a page, got it in the blue tones with the turquoise boxes and just fun shapes. And then these are so pretty. We've got some nice thin long strips with the color, almost like a washi or line you can use. I think these boxes are fantastic. Again, it's just a fresh new take. And this one has a grid, and it's got this really soft, almost like you used a mild liner and wrote on it. I just think they stepped it up a notch with all of these, because how many times can we have the same boxes, right? I mean, well, we love them, so we can have them a lot, but I just love that they added these fresh little accents to them that kind of just step it up a notch and make it a little bit more modern. Like this is my favorite. Like seriously, I do this with washi and now it's already done for me. Especially because I don't want to run out of that. No, just kidding. You know the dot washi is hard to get. Okay, so there's this one. And then we've got these really cool half circles that have the lettering that go all the way across into that negative space, kind of like that color blocking. And it's got the gold foil, new day, same goal, take time to relax, ready for the day, make today a great day, keep life fun. And here we have it without the gold foil with just new phrases on it. And really pretty, we've got the dots, and these are clear sticker paper, so these would be clear, so you could use them over dates to kind of highlight them. Oh, and these are just kind of graphic word art. I love the offset of the line. And then really functional, all of our to-dos. I use these just about every week. So having a nice sheet with pretty colors is great. And then remember priority. These are all good ones. Errands, coffee date. Important. I use those a lot too. Ooh, look at this nice long box with the notes at the top. And again, with a fun font and colors. And this accent in the corner. Yeah, like I said, this is probably, it's simple, but it's one of my favorite things. Like, I just love all the colors and design in this one. And then we've got almost like some washi strips on clear with the gold foil dot. Oh, I love this. And this is just another graphic design, almost like washi strips. Ooh, and then we've got some, I love it. Okay, this makes me laugh. So it's got watch, prep, plan, to do, read, walk, nap, love, coffee, create, move, rest. So all the different words, but I'm laughing that it has walk and then nap. Sounds about right. I just love all these little prompts, and I love the dot detail on them. And then this is just a page of circle icons, like, so that you can use little bullets. Actually, they're circle bullets. Love those as accents, and 2 pages of those. So again, this is the Happy Goals, and it is one of my favorites because it's very simple in its design, but also very modern and fresh, beautiful colors. So again, this is with the spring release, and will be available on the website on March 4th at 9 a.m. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. I would love to hear your thoughts on this. And I would also love it if you'd hit that like, subscribe, and remind bell so you can see future videos from me. Thanks so much and have a great day.